Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw a tram step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Draw the body. Start with a long rectangle with rounded top corners. Step 2. Draw the bottom. Add a rectangle below the body. Make it long, but not too thin or too thick. Step 3. Draw the roof. Draw a slightly shorter rectangle on top of the tram with rounded corners. Step 4. Draw the wheels. Draw 6 small circles in pairs on the bottom part of the tram. Before we continue, like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest video tutorials. Also, check out the description section to learn about our products and services. Step 5. Draw the windows. Add squares along the length of the tram. Keep them evenly spaced. Step 6. Draw the door. Draw a vertical rectangle for the door. Step 7. Draw ventilations. Draw 3 evenly spaced flattened rectangles on the roof for ventilations. Step 8. Draw the liner hook. Draw a slanted square on the roof and add a tiny rectangle on top of it. Step 9. Draw the headlights. Draw a small semicircle beneath the windows and add an elongated rectangle with rounded edges next to it. Step 10. Add the rail and overhead cable. Draw a straight line above the tram for the overhead cable and an elongated rectangle below the wheels for the rail. Step 11. Color your drawing. Use your coloring supplies to add color to your tram. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw a tram step by step. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.